hard to pronounce. Ang nagkagalapan rin siya, what inspired you to go about this product and this business? Well, of course, dahil sa Louis 44. And for those thinking kung anong ibig sabihin ng Jabber, Jabber, it's actually it's a French word, and that means I'm shine. That's why the your sense to shine. So whenever you say that, definitely you'll shine. How much is the bottle? Wala ako. You know what you would say, fabulous, right? Okay, so how much is the bottle and what makes it different from other businesses? Okay, so actually this one is very affordable. Compared sa mall, price is 10 pesos per ml. Okay. So for example, if you buy 85 ml sa mall, that will worth 850. How can I buy 850? Yeah. Hindi na lang sa bottle kayo. Pero mine is only 400. But how long does this last? Baka naman pag-spray ko at pati na yung brush ko. It will last 12 to 24 hours, but it depends on the design. Okay, let's go now. Okay, I love it, training man over here. So, for you to survive well on this booming career of business, why don't you support, are you selling products outside? And later, huwag mo na kayo manisite. I'm gonna distribute company profile. Wow! You know what my product is. Yes. Yeah, for free. Okay. Let's get up for the model. Let's have a group picture. A group. I'm not touching for very tough area or Los Andrea with you. Can I just request one picture?